first, let's start with a brief overview of PowerSteering. We provide on-demand project and portfolio management software used by companies across industries and literally across the world. Many of our customers are listed here. Because our software is so flexible, it's used for IT, for Six Sigma, for new product development, in project management offices, and to manage a broad range of strategic initiatives that many of you are likely involved with. As we'll soon hear from James, PowerSteering is often used across the company to manage multiple project portfolios more effectively and more efficiently. Now let's meet our presenter, James Wood. James has been a senior project manager at Ingersoll Rand since 2006. His current focus is deploying Oracle ERP to various Ingersoll Rand business units. Prior to Ingersoll Rand, he spent 5 years at Textron as an IT project manager, where he supported Oracle ERP applications, managed various projects, and led a team of project professionals. And before Textron, he worked at Canon and at KPMG Consulting. James has very impressive credentials, including an MBA from Wake Forest University's Babcock Graduate School of Management, as well as a BS in Political Science from James Madison University. And if that's not enough, he's also a certified Green Belt, Six Sigma Green Belt, and a certified PMP. At this point, I'd like to turn it over to James.
Hello, Linda. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, we're all set to go.
Okay, great. Well, welcome everybody. Like Linda said, my name is James Wood, and I'm a senior project manager at Ingersoll Rand. I'm going to be walking you through what we have used PowerSteering for the past year and a few months as a enterprise project portfolio or PPM solution. We're very pleased with this experiment that we've launched, and we've long since moved out of kind of the experimenting role and actually into the using it and receiving benefits from using the tool. So that's what we'll be covering. Okay, just a quick background. Ingersoll Rand is a leading diversified industrial company. You see some of our major brands listed below: Club Car, Slade, Thermo King, Hussmann, and IR Industrial Technologies. 2007 revenues, $8.7 billion, nearly 40% outside of North America. We have 40,000 employees, and we have about 80 manufacturing plants worldwide. I should say, though, it has been quite a year of change with our portfolio of businesses. During 2007, we did divest our road development and compact equipment businesses. Road development, a lot of times if you saw a highway construction project, you would see Ingersoll Rand equipment there. And compact equipment, the best known brand was Bobcat. We sold those businesses in 2007. And I'm also pleased to say we are in the process of bringing on Train into Ingersoll Rand. This acquisition is supposed to close in the second quarter of 2008. Once combined, we would have 2007 pro forma revenues of $16.2 billion. We would be adding 29,000 employees from the Train side. Train has 34 production facilities worldwide. And right now, as you could imagine, there are 14 combined teams, Ingersoll Rand and Train employees, managers, executives, that are working very hard to try to bring this integration together. And we will be, among other functional areas, we will be talking a little bit about the integration activities and how those teams are using PowerSteering. Okay, if I go back in time, the business drivers for a PPM tool, we have had and we currently have, and I'm sure we will have in the future, thousands of programs and projects in the pipeline across different functional areas, different sectors and business units, different departments. Some are small, some are huge, some are right in the middle. They have different owners, like I mentioned, enterprise, sector, business unit, or department, different processes, new product development, Six Sigma, IT, mergers and acquisitions, just to name a few. And previous, we had different tracking systems for just about every sector or business unit out there and every different process. They all used a different tool to manage their projects and to do portfolio management with. So it goes without saying, When I joined Ingersoll Rand in 2006, portfolio management was very difficult. Status updates were time-consuming. We didn't believe they were always accurate. Prioritizations were made with incomplete data. And I know one major concern that we had was rolling up the project financials to see for an entire program or for an entire department, how are we doing on our targets? Very difficult to get that information, and it seemed like there was 100 different systems and spreadsheets that were used for the task. So without a doubt, a new approach was needed.